Sabihin mo, kasi wala ka lang.
Ang mga ginagawa ko, hanggang ay,
Oh.
Video yan?
Oh, video. Oh, bilis to. Yayo. Kiss mo si Kelly.
Tuwali lang!
Bilis, kiss mo. Bilis, kiss mo si Kelly.
Ayaw!
Kiss mo si Mika. Bilis, kiss mo si Mika. Sige nga, mag-usap nga kayo ng English, oh. Titingnan ko kung gaano kayo kagaling sa English.
Magsatain.
Serious kasi, dapat usap kayo si... Bilis, Mika, speak to me in English. Parang si Ate Ina. Ano tawag dun sa school nyo? Talk to me in English. Talk to me in English ba? Oh, bilis, talk to me in English. Bilis, Ina. Talk to me in English. Is that all you can say, ha?
Hello? Hello? Hi, sorry. I didn't answer you before.
Oh, oh.
What's wrong with you? I'm calling you before. I'm calling you now? What happened to your phone? It says, boy? Why? And coffee.
What is that? Is that a poem or a... Huh?
Baby ka, baka buo?
Yay. Speak to me in English. Yes?
First time.
What are you eating?
Mani.
You don't know the English of money?
No! With other nuts.
Nuts. You're eating nuts. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yes. It's good for the brain, you know. Mika, speak to me. You don't know how to speak English? I thought you're an honor student.
Kamukha ni